Welcome to FILAM Cuisine. Today, please join me in cooking frog legs adobo. Let's do it. Here are the ingredients. We have onions, sliced potato, garlic, salt and pepper. We got whole peppercorn. We got bay leaves. We have chili flakes, vinegar, olive oil, soy sauce, and right here we have our frog legs. Look how big they are, and this will be nice. Now we're gonna marinate this for 30 minutes before we cook adobo. So let's get started. Now let's put our soy sauce. This half cup of soy sauce. The vinegar, equal amount of vinegar and okay, let's put bay leaves. All right, salt and pepper. All right. Little of salt. All right. Then we will add some garlic. All right. Then we're gonna mix this and marinate this for 30 minutes. Now, next step we're gonna do is we have to fry the frog legs. We'll make it a little bit brownish, so like golden brown. Okay. All right. So in our hot pan here, we will fry the frog legs. Okay. All right. It's not totally cooked. We'll just make the outside a little bit brownish, okay? Before we mix all the other ingredients. Now we fried the frog legs. It's a little bit brown now, so we'll continue with the process. We're gonna put our onions. Cook this for 2 minutes. Now we'll put garlic. All right. More garlic the better. And then we'll put our potatoes. Then we're gonna put half of the marinade. All right. We'll have this simmer for 3 minutes. Next step, we have to put our frog legs. There you go. And give it a good stir. And we're gonna put the rest of the marinade. Then simmer this for the next 5 minutes, and this should be done. Let's cover it. Now this is cooked. I'll put some chili flakes, and we're gonna transfer into a serving dish. Here is the finished product: frog legs adobo. Please share this recipe and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so. Thank you for watching and have a good day.